They say he had him around niggas who wasn't licensed and all this shit. So,
Say play Cartel Bo. Cartel Bo is already like signed. I done tried to review his music videos before, and the deal he have, as soon as you start playing his shit, it's gonna cut the live off. So we can't even go with this Cartel Bo, but he doing his things, nigga.
Cartel Bo, man.
All right, so look. This is Honeykomb Brazy. Bird Doo-Doo.
Bird Doo-Doo. Cue it up.
Okay, I guess. Let's see what the hell does that mean?
Outside, what's happening?
Hey, this the one. This that Brazy shit, yeah. Get that Brazy shit, yeah. This that Brazy shit, yeah. Watch out, drop out the sky, some bird doodle. Yeah, I'm back on that goon shit. Watch out, pop out, 2 black guys. Back on that raccoon shit. Me and Harry Potter having problems. He said I been doing too much with that broomstick. You can ask about him, grab a chopper, walk her down. I just run up and boom shit. Watch out, drop out the sky, some bird doodle. Yeah, I'm back on that goon shit. Watch out, pop out, 2 black guys. Back on that raccoon shit. Me and Harry Potter having problems. He said I been doing too much with that broomstick. You can ask about him, grab a chopper, walk her down. I just run up and boom shit. I put this on everything. I'm back on that Brazy shit, nigga. Fuck that. If a nigga told you swear.
Meanwhile, he's in Houston, nigga, riding clean, living good, got all the money in his hand, an awful lot of cough syrup on with the Prince family, and Finesse 2 times is online saying, somebody help me, please, help me, please. Like Donkey off Shrek.
But on the road, that mean you're a road. I'm back on that Easy E, and the cut down, bouncing on Masterpiece. I'm riding with G and my nigga D, and they both black and fuck like some GD. Nigga wanna play like straight no CD. Hey, we gon' get on your head like some BB. Fuck that
shit. Man, that was a cool little goddamn.
And the cut down, bouncing on Masterpiece. I'm riding with G and my nigga D, and they both black and fuck like some GD. Nigga wanna play like straight no CD. Hey, we gon' get on your head like some BB. Fuck that shit, I cut out the TV. In the jail and yeah, nigga free me. In the cell, reach out to PT. Now we sitting on the PJ 3D. My little pie dog Adderall, he been missing sleep. So when he sleep, he be really sleep. I ain't capping these raw nigga really sweet. Ain't no boy, ain't no nigga gon' chicken me. Ain't no project pet. Nigga pet on your head in my project. These niggas ain't really street. I made nigga go inside. I mean going high. Got me out playing high go see. I made nigga open fire. Somebody go and slide. Don't let nobody get no sleep. Brazy. Watch out, drop out the sky, some bird doodle. Yeah, I'm back on that goon shit. Watch out, pop out, 2 black guys. Back on that raccoon shit. Me and Harry Potter having problems. He said I been doing too much with that broomstick. You can ask about him, grab a chopper, walk her down. I just run up and boom shit. Watch out, drop out the sky, some bird doodle. Yeah, I'm back on that goon shit. Watch out, pop out, 2 black guys. Back on that raccoon shit.
Hey, shout out Cal Wayne.
See my nigga playing that motherfucker, man. Goddamn right. In the trade, goddamn, with Cal Wayne.
Harry Potter having problems. He said I been doing too much with that broomstick. You can ask about him, grab a chopper, walk her down. I just run up and boom shit. Ask about him. That boy really bomb shit. I just drunk a whole bottle of smart water. Instead, this a dumb shit. You should've stayed your bitch ass on the toilet. You know you ain't done shit. And I still ain't sitting here for 800 quarters. I'm on some big run shit. My OG bald head, don't play with that house. We pull up in perm shit. It jumping like frog leg. Like, oh yeah, that's just for like armpit. My boy left us all dead. Nigga told before he got in the car. I told 12 from the start. I ain't see shit. I wipe my ass in the dark. Watch out, drop out the sky, some bird doodle. Yeah, I'm back on that goon shit. Watch out, pop out, 2 black guys. Back on that raccoon shit, man.
I ain't see shit. I wipe my ass in the dark. It's crazy. Hey, what the fuck? I just want to know, Honeykomb Brazy, do you be writing this shit? Drop out the sky like some bird doo-doo is crazy too. Like, is this off the top? Or is you writing this shit, my nigga? I just gotta know. This nigga is a word.
What I will say, I think he need to hone in on one producer that perfect his sound.
Whoever made that goddamn freestyle beat for him, that I put this on everything. I'm saying, yeah, nigga, that's the nigga he needs to be on 3, the fast, what it is, speed dial, nigga. Call that nigga.
Like the bar, I mean, he rapping his ass off, he get twisted. It's that street shit show. But one thing Finesse got is that vocal tone.
He got a vocal tone, and you know what a Finesse 2-time beat sound like. A Honeykomb
This kind
Brazy.
of sound like that. This kind of sound like a Finesse 2-time beat. So I think if he transition his production and they just try to find his own sound, not saying that he biting that nigga sound, but he need a different sound.
Yeah,
that complement his voice.
I know he had did one not too long ago where he got on that motherfucker rapping like Cash Money, and that shit was hard than a bitch.
I heard that bitch was hard than the motherfucker. See, but man, people don't understand the power of production, bro. Because you can get on a track with a hard ass record written down, or it's hard ass word, hard ass song, but if it ain't on the right track, it ain't gonna hit the same.
Ah, facts for sure. The beat will turn a nigga away from that hoe. And especially if the beat ain't hard, you definitely gotta come twice as hard.
I'm listening to the beat and I can't do nothing but hear Finesse on it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, maybe that was good. Maybe they did that on purpose.
Maybe so.
All of that. We're gonna get on a Finesse beat. We're gonna all link up in the video, nigga. Yeah, let's see.
Harry Potter having problems. He said been doing too much with that broomstick. You can ask about him, grab a chopper, walk her down, or just run up and boom shit. Watch out, drop out the sky, some bird doodle. Y'all back on that goon shit. Watch out, pop out. Two black guys cry back on that raccoon shit. Me and Harry Potter having problems. He said been doing too much with that broomstick. You can ask about him, grab a chopper, walk her down, or just run up and boom shit. Brazy.
Yeah. That same song on a different beat, I think it'll go harder.
Yeah, nah, nigga can rap though.
Nah, but shit, so that's not the question. It just, what I'm saying?
Just that beat.